How's it going, my beardless brethren? I'm so excited to unveil to you today a brand new series called Minoxidil Motivation Monday. Ta-da! That was off key. Before we continue, please be sure to give the video a like down below, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe so you don't miss any of my future content. So I've been using Minoxidil for 9 months now, and let's be honest, it is not super easy to maintain motivation. 9 months is a really long time, and there are some increments of time where you just see no new growth at all. If you've ever been to the Minox Beard Spot Facebook group, you've probably seen people who have barely any growth after 2 years. It takes a really long time to grow facial hair with Minoxidil, and it's a super long process. I'm not even close to halfway done with this process, and if I've struggled with motivation this much, I can only imagine what everyone else has been feeling. And that's the reason why I want to start Minoxidil Motivation Monday. You've been watching me upload videos about my facial hair progress for the past 9 months or so. And that's all fine and great. I'm sure you never get tired of watching me. But starting now, I won't be uploading a video every Monday about my facial hair. I'll be uploading a video about yours. I am so excited to tell you guys that every Monday, you have a chance to be featured in my video by emailing to beardandbeyond@gmail.com. There are almost 3,000 of you subscribed to me now, and I am so excited to get to know each other as a community. I want you guys to submit photos of your progress and your stories, so every Minoxidil Motivation Monday, I can feature a bunch of you in a video. Because it's such a long process, using Minoxidil for facial hair is much easier when you have people around you who are encouraging you and who you get to see their growth as well. This is for me too, because I get so excited to see the progress you guys have made because you've started Minoxidil because of one of my videos. It's also encouraging to me to see people who have been doing this for much longer than I have and still finding success. If you'd like to be featured in a Minoxidil Motivation Monday, please be sure you've been using Minoxidil for at least 2 months. I think 8 weeks is a good amount of time to start seeing some growth. Also, please share your story with me and at least 3 quality photos for me to use in the video. You guys, I'm so excited to start this series, so please be sure to submit all these things to beardandbeyond@gmail.com. The first episode will start next Monday, so please be sure to get those submissions in. Thank you so much for following along with my progress for the last 9 months, and I'm super excited to start following along with yours. If you're in need of Minoxidil, lotion without DHT blockers, or the Follicle Booster Beard Growth Kit, I have links to all those things below. If you'd like to follow me on social media, I'll put my Instagram and Twitter handles on the screen. And also, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss Minoxidil Motivation Monday, weekly updates, or any of the other content I make. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a beautiful bearded birthday. Okay, bye!